Hey y'all, it's Seviin and I am back with another video. Welcome to my channel if you're new. Today I'm going to be doing a bun / pineapple tutorial. I do this probably about 3 times a week, especially if I'm moisturizing still. And I do have a video on that, so if you want to go check out my channel, you can go see that video as well. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe right now since you're already about to watch it. Let's get to my pineapple.
So I'm going to start with fluffing out my curls on my scalp from my Moisturize and Seal Twist Out, then spraying the perimeter with water so I can be able to spread the product. Alright, so I'm going to go in with my Auntie Jackie's Curl La La Defining Curl Custard on the perimeter of my hair just to provide some slip and moisturization for the bun. I stand by this product. It is one of my staples. It's a holy grail and I never ever run out. Next, I'm going to go in with the Curls Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Paste. I love this stuff a lot. It is a bit thick, so I do apply it to the back of my hand for even distribution. And I do start from the back to the front so I don't oversaturate my hair with products. Alright, so as you can see, I am distributing the product with my bristle brush. This is a extremely soft bristle brush. I mean uber soft bristle brush. It does take a little longer, but I'd rather do this than have some breakage with a hard bristle brush. So here I am just putting my hair into a loose bun so I can start with the front perimeter. Alrighty, so here I am just rehydrating my hair to give it that shine and luster for the finished look. Alright, so I am still learning how to lay my edges to the gourds, but right now they're laying on the ground, and that's okay. So I am just going to put a little oil on the brush just so then I don't get any flaking or anything around the edge line, but I did put a little control paste here to give it some swoopty whoops, you know.
Thank you for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed my bun tutorial or pineapple tutorial. I do this look probably 3 to 4 times a week, especially after a twist or a braid out. So I definitely recommend you getting all of the products that I listed down below to get this perfect bun. Well, the bun I think is perfect for the time and the effort I put into it, but comment down below if you have any suggestions for the next style, or if you want to see more bun tutorials, because I have like 85 million ways I can do my buns depending on where I'm going or who I'm going with. Send me your music, of course, so then I can have you featured on my channel. Don't forget to check the left-hand bottom side of the corner so you can see the artist of the day. And if you love the song, definitely go check out their Instagram and other social medias so you can be able to get updated on their new music.